Welcome to the Fluent English Frontier podcast, your space to master real English step by step. If you're just starting out or want to refresh the basics, you're in the right place. In this lesson, you're going to learn essential English greetings, how to respond to them, and how to introduce yourself like a confident English speaker. Make sure to repeat after me when I tell you. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment your answers below. Let's begin with a question. What do you say when you meet someone for the first time? Let's start with formal greetings. These are used in professional settings or with people you don't know well. Good morning. This is used from early morning until around 12 noon. Repeat after me. Good morning. Good morning. Good afternoon. This is used from around 12 p.m. to about 6 p.m. Repeat after me. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good evening. This is used from around 6 p.m. until bedtime. Repeat after me. Good evening. Good evening. Hello. This is a neutral and safe greeting for any time of day. Repeat after me. Hello. Hello. Now let's move to informal greetings. These are used with friends, family, or people your age. Hi. A casual way to say hello. Repeat after me. Hi. Hi. Hey. Another relaxed greeting often used among friends. Repeat after me. Hey. Hey. What's up? This is slang for how are you, used with friends. Repeat after me. What's up? What's up? How's it going? A friendly way to ask how someone is doing. Repeat after me. How's it going? How's it going? Now let's learn some formal responses to greetings. I'm doing well, thank you. This is a polite response. Repeat after me. I'm doing well, thank you. I'm doing well, thank you. I'm fine, and you? A very common formal reply. Repeat after me. I'm fine, and you? I'm fine, and you? Nice to meet you. You can say this when meeting someone for the first time. Repeat after me. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. It's a pleasure to meet you. A more formal version of nice to meet you. Repeat after me. It's a pleasure to meet you. It's a pleasure to meet you. Let's now look at some informal responses. I'm good, thanks. This is friendly and casual. Repeat after me. I'm good, thanks. I'm good, thanks. Not bad. This means you're okay or doing fine. Repeat after me. Not bad. Not bad. I'm all right. Another casual way of saying you're okay. Repeat after me. I'm all right. I'm all right. Long time no see. This is used when you haven't seen someone in a long time. Repeat after me. Long time no see. Long time no see. Now let's go into self-introductions. These help people get to know who you are. My name is. Use this to tell someone your name. For example, my name is Maya. Now, please repeat and say your own name. My name is. My name is. I am. Use this to say who you are. For example, I am Maya. Now you try it with your own name. I am. I am. I'm from. This tells someone your country or city. For example, I'm from China. Now you say where you are from. I'm from. I'm from. I live in. Use this to say where you live now. For example, I live in Lagos. Now you try it. I live in. I live in. I am a. Use this to say your job or role. For example, I am a student. Now say your own. I am a. I am a. I like. This helps you talk about your hobbies or interests. For example, I like reading. Now your turn. I like. I like. It's nice to meet you. Say this at the end of your introduction. Repeat, it's nice to meet you. It's nice to meet you. Now let's look at common beginner mistakes and how to fix them. Wrong. Good night when meeting someone. Right. Good evening. Wrong. What is your good name? Right. What's your name? Wrong. Myself, John. Right. I'm John. Wrong. I am live in China. Right. I live in China. Wrong. I student. Right. I am a student. Wrong. I likes football. Right. I like football. Wrong. She go to school. Right. She goes to school. Wrong. How you are. Right. How are you? Wrong. I am fine, thank you. And you. Right. I'm fine, thank you. And you. Wrong. Where do you came from? Right. Where do you come from? Wrong. I can able to do it. Right. I can do it. Wrong. I no understand. Right. I don't understand. Wrong. He don't like it. Right. He doesn't like it. Wrong. I am having a pen. Right. I have a pen. Wrong. She speak English well. Right. She speaks English well. Great job. Now let's test your memory with a quick quiz. Try to say the answers out loud or write them in the comments below. 1. What do you say in the morning to greet someone politely? 2. Which greeting means, how are you, in an informal way? 3. How do you respond formally to, how are you? 4. What's a proper way to introduce your name? 5. Which phrase is wrong? I likes music or I like music? Here are the answers. 1. Good morning. 2. What's up? 3. I'm doing well, thank you. 4. My name is. 5. I like music. Now let's do a quick recap of everything we learned. First, we looked at formal greetings like good morning and good evening, and informal ones like hi and what's up. Then we learned how to respond formally with phrases like I'm fine, thank you, and informally with I'm good or not bad. We practice self introductions using phrases like, my name is, I'm from, I live in, and I like. After that, we correct common mistakes that beginners often make. Finally, we wrapped up with a quiz to test your learning. Thank you so much for learning with me today on the Fluent English Frontier podcast. If this lesson helped you, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. And don't forget to drop your quiz answers or your own introduction in the comments section. See you next time.